Peace. Array, send everyone one by one, but don't forget to check the temperature. It's more important. If temperature is good, send them inside. If it is bad, it is bad for us also. Let them stay outside or admit them in. You go and admit them in GHU directly. No problem. So you guys are gathered here for a wonderful evening. Today we have a match. Okay. First question from any of you.
What do you think about CSK versus SRH match?
What do I tell about that? If you see from the name itself, we can identify Sunrisers Hyderabad, and opposite team is Chennai Super Kings. So Super Kings is there, Sunrisers is there. That means sun only rises in the morning, not in the night. So the sun will go to sleep in the evening. So no use of having their match in the evening. I think the Hyderabad team has to go to a nice astrologer to change the team name in order to get the points in the point table. So for other example also you can tell, if you like, they are from Hyderabad, they have the Andhra, they have the Tirupati, it's from there. So if you go to Tirupati, they are still in the Keel Tirupati, they are in the bottom of the table. We are in the male Tirupati, getting wishes directly from Perumal in order to win all the games. So I hope I answer your question. Peace. Yes, Raina fan Maina, what's your question, ma?
What do you think about CSK batting lineup?
Super question, ma. Actually, CSK batting lineup is a very strong batting lineup, ma'am. They have very strong batting order, very strong hitters, and you know what? Especially for you, for all your fans, because our Raina, Chinnathala Raina is back to number 3 position, ma. Because of Moeen Ali got injured, shoulder problem, hospital admitted. So no problem, he will come once again. Till that, Raina will be back to the number 3 position. And if you watch in this IPL, our first match was between Delhi and it was held in Mumbai. So that match, you remember, Raina scored 50 plus run, ma. So first match itself, Raina scored 50 runs. And you know what? This is our first match in Delhi. So after Mumbai 5 matches, this is our first match in Delhi. So I hope this match also you will score more than that and more sixes from him. You can expect it. I hope I answer your question. Enjoy the day. Peace. Yes, Mr. Naki, you won't get the Italy Sambar Vada in here. Only you will get Vada Pav in Delhi. Eat that as much you want. It is cheaper also. 5 rupees you can get 1 Vada Pav. So eat that, enjoy the day. Before that, ask your question if you have anything.
Mr. Swag, who will win the match today?
Arey yaar Naki, what is this yaar? Always asking stupid questions, useless questions. You know I am CSK fan. So whom do you think I will support in this match? Not only in this match, in every CSK match, I will support CSK, man. I am from CSK, Namma Ooru Chennai. So don't ask this kind of questions. It is not valid. Arey yaar, bring some sellotape, stick in his mouth, so that he will be quiet till our conference is over. Let it be quiet. Peace. Yes, Miss Brittany, all the way flying from Britain. Aeroplane, nice traveling here. So, and I do see that you are wearing the same pant as Kajal Agarwal was wearing in Komali with the Kinja portion. So anyone can see that Kinja portion. They bring some sellotape there so that they can stick in that Kinja portion, so not visible to others.
No, thank you, Mr. Swag.
Yeah. What was your question?
What do you think about Natarajan? He
Yeah.
ruled out.
Yes, ma. Natarajan ruled out because he had some injury. And one more thing, it's a very good news for CSK fan. At the opposite period, if you see, it is a very, very sad news for all our Indian fans, because World Cup 2020 World Cup is on the way. Once the IPL gets over, World Cup gonna start, ma. So for that we need him, ma, in our team, because he is one of the main key bowler in our team. I hope I answered your question, Miss Brittany. Peace. Yes, the very tall man with the muscle, Mr. Brady, all the way from Vyasarbadi. So shoot your last question, man.
Mr. Swag, what do you think about the toss and the pitch?
What I think about toss and the pitch, I am repeating, okay, to make sure that everyone is listening. if you think about the toss and the match, because the toss I don't think so much involvement, because this is the first match in this IPL they're gonna play in Delhi, because last 5 matches we were in Mumbai. Karan Sharma was there, he was supporting us. We were giving food to him to eat, as well as the good bowlers for us to hit more runs. So Karan Sharma was there to help us to win 4 games. Now we are in Delhi, ma. We are searching for who is the correct person to give food and to get correct பண்றதுக்கு. So that is how we are looking for, ma. If you compare the match with our life, same like that. நம்மளுக்கு எதனா தெரியலனா என்ன பண்ணுவோம், பக்கத்தில் எவனா இருந்தானா ஃபஸ்ட்டு நீ போ மச்சான், நீ போய் பாரு என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க ஏது பண்ணுறாங்க அப்படின்னு. அந்த மாதிரி தான். That is how you should compare this match. Whatever the toss has happened, they are going to choose bowl, I think so, from my knowledge, from my 7th sense. Because if you go and check what they are doing, how the pitch is working, from that they can easily identify, and they will also can play very well. So toss, I think they will bowl first, ma. And the pitch, once they do nice, I can tell it is a nice pitch. If they do poor, I can tell Chennai did nice. So whatever it is, ma, I hope you got the answer. Peace. Thank you everyone for coming to see Mr. Swag and not having corona. That is more important. Everyone claps your hand for that, not having corona. Super, nice job. And second more important thing is, please do stay inside your house. Enjoy our match. Today we are having Chennai versus Hyderabad, and currently now we are in the 2nd position. By this end of the match, we will be number 1 position. I hope you guys understood why I am saying number 1 position and who will win this match. That is one. And the second most thing is, wash your hand regularly and use sanitizer. Especially Mr. Naki, you wash your legs also, both legs and hands. Next time if you enter, if I don't see wash your legs, you are not allowed to enter. It's a day, notice named without washing his leg, don't allow him inside. Okay, let him sleep, eat whatever you want, but out of this room, not inside this room. Okay, you guys also stay safe, happy. And if you like this video, please do share, and there will be a red color mark subscribe. Please do subscribe, and next to that there will be a bell mark. Please to click that bell mark. Don't forget to click that bell mark, then only you will get notifications. Peace.